Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Up next is a set of YUIL clone handcuffs from Vietnam. These are the Justiz High Security RAR cuffs. They utilize a double Pawl, swing through bow with a Smith and Wesson style double lock. They try to emulate the YUIL specialist key, but a standard handcuff key, with a little jiggly action, gets the pawls lowered. This is a shame, as they didn't incorporate any anti-shim, except for using a strong Pawl spring. So why is this an issue? Well, with the double lock engaged, you can open the double lock with a standard cuff key. This means I can also use my jackknife hook as well. And because a standard key can open them, I can also use the half ball to open them. Don't get me wrong, the sweet spot is a pain to find, but it can be found relatively quickly. Lastly, I'll show shimming. The anti-shim, as previously discussed, is just a super strong spring. So a combination of wiggling the shim and lightly depressing the bow overcomes this and allows the bow free movement. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.